Hello, welcome to the MWC Insider Guide, and I'm joined today by Wang Weibin from ZTE, and we're going to be talking about mobile networks. Hello, Wang.
Hello.
Well, mobile networks over the past 30 years, from 2G to 5G, they've clearly developed. But what further evolution is needed, particularly in the core network? I mean, what are the driving forces?
Oh, that's a great question. Bridging the digital divide, enabling digital transformation of society, and providing indistinguishable experience between virtual and the real world has become the new missions of the mobile network, which are driving it to keeping evolving with higher efficiency to save resources as much as possible, enhance the capability to increase the current experience as much as possible, and a wider extension of service scope to transform for new business channels. Particularly for core network, regarded as the brain of the network, is facing three similar changes. The first, how to accommodate network access and seamless mobility for anyone or anything at any time in any location, no matter in you are in remote mountain areas, the sky, or even over the ocean. Secondly, current new services like XR are pursuing reality sim experiences, and services for machines like computer vision request stricter communication beyond human perception, which requires the core network to be enhanced further. Beyond this, the network should provide sensing and computing services, as well as traditional connection services. The last, in digital world, different industries or customers have diverse requirements and scenarios. Core network should provide customized services for different efficiency, reliability, and deployment agility requirements. ZTE believes that the core network will continue to evolve towards a customer-centric network and will change the traditional connection-centric mode to provide exclusive services for each different user or scenario in the next decade.
So what are the new features of this user-centric core network design that you mentioned, the key features of this design concept in the future?
Yeah, aiming to deliver exclusive services to each different customer, including massive or vertical users, developers, and cooperators. The future core network should have three features. The first one is on-demand access. The future core network should provide any type of connection and seamless mobility control with automatic service discovery and collaboration between subnets and public networks. User can select any access modes depending on their different terminals, access locations, and time. The second one is on-demand deployment. For being cloud in scaled data center to being hybrid with distributed dedicated boards or chips, the core network will be easily deployed even on satellites, drones, and vehicle-mount devices in plug-and-play mode. The third one is on-demand services and capabilities. The future core should provide a decoupled and packaged business capability, which will be easy of use, composable as plugins, and delivered in real time for customers. So based on the three feature requirements, ZTE is developing the MetaCore, a customer-centric core network which innovatively provides a self-serving online shop, providing customized service and a different distributed deployment sites from a mini mode as pizza box or even a chip in satellite to telco cloud in central data centers.
So thanks for that detail, but maybe you can just explain a bit further about what are the key technologies to implement the three new features of the core network in the future?
Yes, the Metacore introduced several key advanced technologies, including distributed inter-subnetwork connection architecture, computing and network convergent infrastructure, and AI-native network. Distributed heterogeneous subnetwork in the connection architecture can push the network closer to users with lower latency and higher reliability. In addition, with distributed core networks and automatic discovery, deletion, and interconnection with each other, the network can be dynamically shaped itself, and the resource can be coordinated and scheduled intelligently as required. Storage, computing, and the network converging infrastructure with the programmable hardware and the integration of them can break through the performance bottleneck of virtualization, guarantee flexibility and cost efficiency simultaneously. As the new platform with multiple capability, the Metacore provides users with integrated multiple services such as diversified computing power with perceptional routing and even radio rendering, and so on. With AI native, the Metacore can not only satisfy customers' intent-driven maintenance of the network, but also provides complete AI services for third parties such as data collection and processing, AI model training and reasoning, and model evaluation. ZTE is engaged with operators and industry partners to build a future core, promoting network evolution and society development.
Well, many thanks, Webin, for those insights as to how the core mobile network needs to evolve. It's been a pleasure speaking to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It's a pleasure with you.